Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, the ServiceNow Coach. So today we are going to discuss what is application menu and modules in ServiceNow. So application and application menu are kind of a same thing, but while demoing, I'll be giving you a brief introduction and a demo of what exactly the meaning of application and application menu. Application menu define a main content that user can access in the application navigator. So meaning of this is, so this is the application navigator and what can you access in this application navigation like business application, dashboard, service catalog, employee center, knowledge. So these all are considered as a application menu. And let's take an example of incident. So even though incident is a separate application, but that is also considered as a application menu. So as per the definition, it is holding a main content that a end user can access or a developer or a business users can access in the application navigator. So these can be configured which appear in the application navigator. So configuration is nothing but you can edit this application. For example, I have clicked on the application of edit application. So it will open. Let me click on this. Until it opens, I'll come back to this second point, and only application menus that contain modules appear in the application navigator. Yes. Okay. So if you see this, even though you have seen the button is showing as an edit application, but when I clicked on it, it is showing it as application menu. So whenever you are creating a new application, 100% you should have application menu for that application also. That is mandatory. What is the title and which scope it is a part of, and which role do you want this application to be available. So anybody who is having ITIL incident read, they will be able to see this application over here. So that's what the role is. And this is a category where in which category do you want to add this application menu, that is left to you. So there is a separate table for the application category. You can create one and you can map it to that. So in most of the cases, when we create a scope applications or a custom application, we select the custom applications as select category. So if you are creating any application which is more or less related to this administration part, you can select this as a category. It is an optional field. It's not at all a mandatory field. So hint and what's the description of the field. This is all about application menu. And if you see the third point, different users have access to different application menus and modules based on their roles. So let's go to next topic, which is modules. As you know, application menus and modules are a combined topic. As you see, module is a specific page or a section within the application or application menu that allows user to access records, create new ones, and perform other actions. What is the meaning of that? Let's go back to instance. So for example, let's say here incident is considered as an application or application menu, and but whereas create new, assign to me, open unassigned, resolved or all are considered as a module under a application. So if you see, they are interrelated to each other. So this is the application menu I have opened. In a related list, you can see these are the modules which are present, which is create new, assign to me, in a order wise. So for example, if I want to edit this module, there are again multiple configuration which you need to do, like this module should be visible to who can access this module, what kind of modules you can create, all other stuffs are there. I'll be explaining them one by one. So examples like creating a new ticket, opening a assign to tickets. Okay, and if you want to open a UI page on a click of a module, that can also be possible. I'll be showing a demo of that in our next video. Next video will be all about opening a UI page from a module. How you can do that, I'll let you know in the next video. So if you see, this is a module, and while creating a module, you have to select which application menu you want to be a part of, which way, This module will be a part of which application menu, what is the order, what is the hint you want to give, where is the visibility, this module will be visible to whom, which role, and this one, override application menu. So what is the meaning of this? How, why, when you check this box, what happens? When you not check this box, what happen? I'll be explaining in the next video. So this is one, and this is all about module, guys. And if you see the link type here, if you see link type, there are different types of modules you can do. For example, if you want to show the list of records, that is a separate link which you can do. And if you want to show a new record, that also you can do. If you want to show a single record, that also you can do. If you want to show some UI pages, that you can do with the help of this HTML for arguments. And as I mentioned in my next video, I'll be showing how to open a UI page from a module where I'll using HTML from arguments, and I'll be mentioning this arguments. What are the arguments you needed? And the last one, window name is nothing but when you click on this, whether do you want to open it in a same tab or do you want to open in a new tab. For example, there are two properties, right? So I think maybe window name, there is one called blank, and when you click on this blank, right, it will open in a new window instead of opening in a same window. So by default, the if I check the this will be opening in the same window, but there is a requirement when the client said whenever I click on a new tab, it should open in a new tab instead of the existing tab. So so uh, that's what all about that window name field. So that's all about the application and menu, applications and modules. And what is the relationship? As already you know, application menu is having a module as a related list where any new module or any existing module you want to alter or you want to create, which application menu is it a part of, that is important. Application provide the overarching structure, while modules provide the granular access points to the application functionality. So when you create a new table, ServiceNow can automatically create a module. So this point I'll be explaining in a video where I'll be showing what is table, how to create table, while creating a table, how it creates a module, that I will show you. You can add a more modules to an application by editing the application and creating a new modules. As I have shown previously, that I clicked on edit application of incident application, and I have shown you there are related list called new modules. That's what they are talking about in this point. Modules are organized under application menu and can be reordered and can be hidden based on the user roles. Already mentioned the significance of the roles field in application menu or either in a module. Which application, which role do you want? Which the somebody who is having which role to be visible to? That's what they are talking about in the last point. So that's what all